So this is that area where I was talking about. Ooh, did you hear that crack?
That was a good one.
Yeah, I like how you're just letting me work on you. Okay, now we're getting into the lumbars. Ooh, there's another one there. So, I'm really excited to have Margarita here today and her beautiful dog named Bailey. Bailey's how old would you say?
Bailey's 11 now.
And what's the breed?
She is half pug, half dachshund.
Bailey's had some musculoskeletal issue problems over the last few years. Had an ACL surgery on the left knee, on the back leg here. At that time, wasn't able to exercise, gained some weight. And as dogs become senior dogs, a lot of them start to deal with some arthritis, especially in the thoracolumbar junction, where the thoracic bones end and the lumbars begin. That junction, or that transitional area, is very vulnerable for quadrupeds. So one of the things we're trying to do today is maximize this rear end flexibility and mobility so that Bailey can enthusiastically start to get more mobile and work on cardiovascular exercise and just enjoy life a little bit more without feeling achy with every step. Would that be a pretty good assessment?
Absolutely, thank you.
Good. And but Bailey's been starting to really turn it around. We both have in common the place Sniff and Seek. Right?
That's right.
I've done a few videos with them. Actually, we have a video this week I'm doing with them.
Oh, really?
It's coming out because I gave one of their rats a chiropractic adjustment.
I love that.
And that was new for me. I never adjusted a rat, and we were able to make a video of it. So
they're
check
so
that
sweet.
out.
They're Bailey's friends.
But Bailey goes there and works out, right?
Yeah, Bailey does. She
and likes
loves
the rats
it there.
and stuff.
Yeah, the rats are her friends.
Yeah.
They're definitely friends, not food.
So basically, Sniff and Seek is like an obstacle course that trains dogs to use their sniff receptors to find, locations of where the decoys or a live rat would be hidden, and nothing happens to the rat. It's even approved by certified humane society.
The rats think it's fun.
Yeah, and they do, and then the dog gets to like hunt and seek and use those skills. And it turns out that Bailey's really into it, right?
Bailey's very into it, which I'm assuming is her dachshund heritage finally coming through.
Yeah, very cool. A few other things that you brought up, right? So you also have a diagnosed bulging disc,
yeah,
right?
That happened when she was 5 from a fall.
Okay, so a few things. We have a bulging disc in the neck. We have a really torn up ACL that needed surgical repair. The surgery went pretty well though, right?
Yeah, the surgery went well. She
Yeah.
got back most of her function.
Okay, so we're gonna have to work carefully around the bulging disc. I know how to work that way with both humans and animals, so I know how much I can do and how much I shouldn't do. Bailey, I just wanted to ask consent. Is it okay if I can work with you today? What do you think of that?
Sounds like a yes.
Is it okay? Can we work with Bailey?
Yeah.
All right, great. I'm gonna first tilt your head up and see if we can get some
Good girl.
little
Yeah,
stiffness
right
coming
here.
up.
Good girl.
And then she flinched a little bit. Let's bring the head down. Good. And let's bring the head to the left. That's decent. To the right. Good. And you can keep holding on here. But coming up, it's tough. And so she had a lower disc, right? Like probably C5, C6. Yeah. And that's where it feels. So dogs have 7 bones on their neck. All mammals have 7 bones on their neck, whether they're a little mouse or a giraffe or a dog. There's exceptions. There's the manatee and the sloth that do not have 7 bones on the neck. But other than the manatee and sloth, all mammals have 7 bones on their neck. We differ in the thoracic area. That's the rib cage area. Dogs have 13. Cats have 13. Horses have 18. Humans have 12. The lumbars, we have 5. That's the lower back. Dogs have 7. Cats have 7. Horses typically have 6. But I want to go in a little bit to that C5 because I would really love to see Bailey be able to lift the head higher than this. This is not enough extension. And she jerks away every time I bring her above this spot. I think she should really be able to get 90 degrees, maybe not in one visit, but we'll try. So I'm going to come in low. Do you hear it click?
I heard the click.
Good. And I'm going to actually...
Good girl. See, it doesn't hurt.
Yeah, and she's licking a little bit. And look at the head come up. So it's still a little tight at the top. We got it up a little bit more.
Yeah.
Now I'm going to adjust Atlas next. There, and There. There.
Good
Now,
girl.
there we go. Nice
Good
extension.
girl, yeah.
Big change. Now I'm going to start coming down the back. So I was able to get her C5, C6 without being too much for her. Now I'm in the withers area, T3 through T8. Coming down, working on that for you, okay? And I like how you're just letting me work on you. And this is where it gets tough. So this is that area where I was talking about. Ooh, did you hear that crack?
That was a good one.
Yeah.
Good girl.
Good.
Good girl.
Let me lower the table a little bit. Okay, now we're getting into the lumbars. Ooh, there's another one there.
Oh. I know, baby girl, you're okay. You're okay.
This is what this feels like.
Yeah. See, just fine. She loves it when her grandpa gives her massages. So.
I want to share a product that I'm really excited about, and in this case, it's my product. I made this video course recently called How to Massage Your Dog. The website is called howtomassageyourdog.com, and it's still on sale if you check in with it, but it gives you a way to work on your dog from head to toe, whether it's a few minutes a day or outright full body sessions. It's good for that puppy. It's also good for your senior dog. It's a way that you can manage pain and help that dog not suffer as it goes through the different stages of life. I show everything in this video course, from hand techniques through full body massage, everything from a teacup dog to a Great Dane. It's all in one video course. Check it out. Let me know what you think. And there's even a 30-day money-back guarantee if you're not completely satisfied. howtomassageyourdog.com.
Yeah, see? Just fine. Not scary. Good girl.
Do a little bit of the disc there.
Yeah, good girl. Good girl.
Okay, let's look at the hips next, okay? So we're going to take this hip and bring it back. Okay.
Good girl.
So we want to get you more mobile, okay, Bailey, so that you can work on your exercise more and do more of your sniff work that you're exploring, which is fun for you.
Make friends with more rats.
Yeah, make friends with more rats and other dogs. And I'm taking this hip back.
Good girl. Good girl. Yeah. Good
So this hip was not really where I wanted it to be. It was slightly misaligned. It was not dislocated, but it just was, really the word is called subluxated. And subluxated, if you break down the etymology of the word, it's less than a luxation or less than a dislocation. So it's not dislocated, but it was not really well placed, and that's your sensitive spot. You can feel that. So I'm going to just keep working on the alignment a little bit. I'm working on certain vectors or angles, and just trying to get this to fit better and be more centered
Good girl.
in your
Good girl.
alignment here. Good, I think I got that one back. Okay.
Good girl. You like massages.
So then, little movement at the tail. There it goes, that clicked. Did you hear that one too?
Good girl.
Okay,
Oops,
so
no.
let's get this side now.
You go.
All right, yeah, and this side's very
I
stiff
know.
too.
I know. Good girl. I know.
So that
I
one's
know.
stiff too.
Good
So
girl.
both hips are really stiff.
Yeah.
So this is good. So we're gonna just mobilize them, free them up a little bit. I'm gonna work on the lower lumbars. Here's L7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and T13 right there. Back to the leg again. It's coming up easier now.
Yeah. More range.
Much.
Good girl.
There we go. Good.
Good girl. I know you're being so good. Yeah.
There's one more.
There you go.
Okay, got it. Now we're gonna put her on the floor. See if she shakes out. Put her on the floor. Actually, put her on
She's
the
denser
back.
than she looks.
Oh, there's her little shake.
Yeah. Good girl. Yeah.
Good shake.
See, it wasn't so bad. It wasn't so bad.
Let's walk right out of here and see her walk down the hallway to you.
I know.
Good, she's moving well.
My good girl. Yeah. Yeah, you're happier about that.
Good.
Good girl.
We just worked on your hips and lower back quite a bit. I did release your neck, and I got that range of motion of your neck back, okay? So I want you to start getting back into exercise, but you can do that when we free up both hips, lower back, lumbars, and the cervicals. They're all tied together. give Bailey a loving comment, please, and just support her. Everybody's in their own journeys, and Bailey is having a wonderful life with loving parents and having a good life. So thanks for watching today.
Good girl. Yeah, she definitely has more range of motion now.
She's moving better.
I know. You're going to be happier about exercise now? Yeah?